Okay guys, so as you can see right now on the screen that eKalyan registration has been started for the 2021 and 2022 batch, okay, and application form has been started from 26th June and last date for online registration and application form submission is 13th September 2021, okay. You have to apply in between these dates, okay, and post matric within state outside state upload the document by student on before 13th September, okay. And guys, आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे होंगे कि all for all institute college within state and outside state if not registered in our online portals are required to register immediately on and last date for online registration 14th August 2021, okay. अगर आपका कॉलेज अभी तक रजिस्टर नहीं किया है तो कॉलेज को रजिस्टर करने का लास्ट डेट है 14th अगस्त 2021 और लास्ट डेट जो स्टूडेंट वेरिफिकेशन के लिए कॉलेज के थ्रू है वो रखा गया है 20th अक्टूबर 2021, ओके। सो आप ये इंश्योर कर लें कि आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म वेरिफिकेशन जो कॉलेज से होता है वो 20th अक्टूबर से पहले हो जाना चाहिए, ओके। ओके गाइस, और यहाँ पे मैं बात कर लेता हूँ रिक्वायर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स की। तो आपको क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगेगा? स्टूडेंट फोटो, बोनाफाइड सर्टिफिकेट विथ फी स्ट्रक्चर, the validity of income certificate should be from 1st April 2021, okay. Residence certificate, caste certificate, previous year mark sheet, bank passbook scan copy of application form signed of student and parents, guardian, okay. And no temporary documents of false authorized document, okay. कुछ आपका फॉर्म में गलत नहीं होना चाहिए, okay. And can I edit the information already saved the and up to the times? yes. अगर आप एक बार एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को सबमिट कर देते हैं उसके बाद भी आप एडिट कर सकते हैं एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को। डू आई नीड टू गेट माई आधार कार्ड टू अप्लाई फॉर eKalyan स्कॉलरशिप? yes, you must have your आधार कार्ड numbers to apply for this eKalyan scholarship, okay. And for whom this scholarship, okay, this is also very important. If you are a student of Jharkhand, okay, or you are studying in Jharkhand in any colleges, then you are eligible for it, okay. Here you can see who can apply for scholarship. Student must be of Jharkhand state. Student must be either scheduled trip ST, SC, BC. Student annually family income from all source should be not exceed for SC, for ST, SC आपका फैमिली इनकम 2.5 लाख से कम होना चाहिए साल का, और फॉर OBC 15,000, ओके। एंड फॉर BC बैकवर्ड क्लास स्टूडेंट यू मस्ट हैव फैमिली इनकम बिलो 1.5 lakh, ओके। एंड गाइज who cannot apply for scholarship? Student belonging to the categories for SC, ST they can to apply, okay. And if your family income exceed this to 2.5 lakh then you are not eligible for it, okay. And all institute in Jharkhand recognized by government of Jharkhand completely authorized, okay. These colleges are eligible for it, we already discussed, okay. And here you can see guys some important instruction about application form, okay. Can I apply for online scholarship? yes, this is the website, okay, ekalyan.cgg.gov.in, okay. You for the batch 2021 and 2022, okay. What is the last date for submission of application online? Okay, last date 13th September 2021, okay. And till what time can I upload the documents on the website? All students must upload all the documents required by 13th September 2021, okay. Before 13th September you have to upload your all documents. Where can college within get login details? this is about college. Okay, is there any application ID? Yes, you must have your application ID when you are registering for you. On that time you get your registration ID. Where can a student apply for renewables? The website is open for fresher and renewable scholarship applicant for the year 2021 and 2022. Okay, you can also, fresher can also apply, and renew you can also done with your application. अगर आपने ऑलरेडी थर्ड या फाइनल ईयर के स्टूडेंट है तो आपने फर्स्ट ईयर में जो फ्रेश एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरा है उससे आप रिन्यू भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, वेयर शैल आई कॉन्टैक्ट क्वेरीज. ओके, अगर आप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है तो अगर आपका एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म भरने में या उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है तो यहाँ पे आपको ईमेल आईडी दिख रहा है. इस ईमेल आईडी पे आप मेल कर सकते हैं या फिर यहाँ कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी दिया हुआ है. ओके, आप यहाँ कॉल कर सकते हैं और टाइम भी मेंशन है 10:30 to 5 PM. ओके, एंड मंडे टू सैटरडे वर्किंग डेज. ओके, these are documents we already discussed. Okay, is PAN card mandatory for applying for scholarship? No, PAN card not mandatory. What should I do if I do not find my institute name in the drop down menus? Okay, a student will contact to our help desk. Okay, welfare DW. How to check the status of application form? A student can check the status of application form by login. Okay guys, these are some basic information. Okay, how you can apply for it. Okay, here you can see scholarship registration. Just click here and here you can see this post matric 2021 and 2022 renewables. Okay, here you can see post matric within state fresh application. If you are fresh applying, then you just click apply online, and you are renewing, then just click apply online. Okay, by just clicking online, first you have to log in. Okay, student login required. Okay, first you have to click on student login. Okay, first you have to make your login ID. Okay, after that you switch to registration form. Okay, here you can see sign up and sign in. Okay, if you are new, then first you have to create your account. For login, write your name, father name, date of birth, mobile, email, ID, password. Okay, captcha fill and create your account. After creating your account, okay, you get your email or mobile, both. Okay, and here you can hint some for creating your password. Okay, after that you have to just click on here sign in and select any email, phone number or anything, and just fill here and simply log in. Okay, and apply for it.